Can I get Fubo on Samsung Smart TV? Fubo is available on most Samsung Smart TVs, but its compatibility depends on the model and software version. Samsung TVs running Tizen OS 2016 or later support the Fubo app, while older models may require an external device or screen mirroring to access Fubo. 1. Checking if your Samsung Smart TV supports Fubo. Samsung Smart TVs that use Tizen OS 2016 or newer models support the Fubo app. To check if your TV is compatible, press the Home button on your remote. Open the Samsung Smart Hub or Apps section. Search for Fubo in the App Store. If the app appears, your TV supports Fubo. If not, you will need an alternative method to watch. 2. Installing Fubo on a Samsung Smart TV. If your TV supports Fubo, follow these steps to install the app. Press the Home button on your remote. Navigate to the Samsung Smart Hub and open the Apps section. Select the search icon and type Fubo in the search bar. Click on the Fubo app and select Install. Open the app, sign in with your Fubo account, and start streaming. 3. Using an external streaming device for Fubo. If your Samsung TV does not support the Fubo app, you can use an external streaming device to access it. Devices like Roku, Amazon Fire Stick, Apple TV, Chromecast, or gaming consoles allow you to install the Fubo app and stream content on your TV. Connect the device to your TV, install the Fubo app, and sign in. 4th, casting Fubo from a mobile device. If your Samsung Smart TV supports AirPlay for Apple devices or screen mirroring for Android devices, you can cast Fubo from your smartphone or tablet. Ensure your TV and mobile device are on the same Wi-Fi network. Open the Fubo app, tap the cast icon, and select your Samsung TV. If your Samsung Smart TV is compatible, you can install and use the Fubo app directly. If not, an external device or casting method provides an alternative way to access Fubo. Checking your TV's compatibility ensures you can enjoy live sports and entertainment with ease.